World Malaria Day we observe every year on 25th of April. But this today, for some unavoidable situation, I observe it on 29th. Okay, this is for our workers who do so much work in the field, to showcase their activity, what they do in the field. So this year the theme is malaria ends with us, reinvest, re-energize, and reimagine, reinvest, and reignite. Got that? Okay, so as of now Goa is on the right track for malaria elimination. आता ती कितें आखताय म्हणल्यार आमचे सर्वेलन्स, that is one of our strategy, which is the main strategy for Goa to control malaria, is the surveillance. As per Goa Public Health Act, we are screening almost all the laborers it is mandatory to screen laborers at a construction site. But in addition to this, we do proactive surveillance at the jetties, trawlers, then shacks, hotels, migrant settlement areas. So more and more surveillance we are doing. So our ABR, which is annual blood examination rate, is more than 25%. Which, as per Government of India, they say at least you should do surveillance up to 10. ABR should be at least 10. But Goa is doing much more. It is 25.21. Okay, and also our API, all our 34 health centers, they have achieved API 0. As per Government of India, once you achieve API 0 or less than 1 at a center, at a health center, we have to scale it down to the sub-center and village level, which Goa has also done. Since 2022, our API at sub-center and village level is also 0. So that has been one, we are going forward. And one more thing now, this year the Government of India, last year Government of India has started is sub-national malaria elimination. Because what has happened is our Goa is small, but some other states are very big. And the districts, there are many districts, and people are working at the district and they are doing lot of good work. But it is not showcased. So the Government of India came forward with sub-national malaria elimination, so that at the district level, those people who are working at the district level, they are more motivated to work better. So Goa, because since 2022, the API in the South district was 0. 22, 23, 24. But since I thought that lot of documentation have to be submitted, I thought that I will submit and claim for award only for 1 year. But we recently had a national review meeting, malaria review meeting in Jan. And at that time, they instead of checking only our 2022 data, they checked the 23-24 data also. And they found lot of things which were really innovative for Goa. Like we are doing dots for these falciparum patients, so that they may not go into complications. There should be better compliance. The drugs are घेऊंक जाय तांणी. Also, we are doing lot of surveillance. That's why our ABR is more. Also, we have documentation, good documentations we are having, like each health center, uniform documentation. If you go to any health center, if you ask them for A documentation, it will be same everywhere. A for annual action plan. So that also they appreciated. Even we have such mega projects, but there is lot of system in place. Such as there is like registers to maintain anti-larval measures, who is doing, who is signing, also health card registers, also proactive work is done, counter border notification is happening in Goa, and we have documentations. If we have 10 imported cases, from where they are coming, which district they are coming, which state they are coming. So all this documentation is available in Goa. Hence, they felt that we should try to get the award for 3 years. So they asked me to send the award, the documents for 3 years, that 22, 23, 24. I don't know whether they will really come to Goa to do the field visit again, because they have already done it. So I was expecting now for 25th, but for some reason it was not done. The function was not held at Government of India. So actually Goa is moving towards elimination, that too in the right track. So, and that I give this to our workers, credit to our workers who work very hard in the field for surveillance, because we have lot of influx in Goa. You must be aware that for each and every work we take the influx from outside. We do not have Goan workers as such. So that is a big problem for us. Also, what we are having is asymptomatic patients, carriers. They do not have any fever, no symptoms, but since we are doing this screening, we are finding lot of asymptomatic this. If you are having 16 imported cases with symptoms, 65 are there which are without symptoms. So that has become a big chunk. And because of our asymptomatic cases which we are detecting, Government of India has come up with one more definition. So what they are saying, asymptomatic because of Goa, because the imported cases were going very high. So to segregate this, they have said that you keep the asymptomatic data separate and only those with symptoms you put it in a statistic, because it was giving a bad impression of Goa that they have getting so much cases, but these so much cases are imported cases, and now we are segregating it in asymptomatic and symptomatic. So lot of this focus by Government of India, WHO is there on Goa, because Goa is going there towards the in the right track for malaria elimination.